Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalm 37:4. Distinguished Chief Guest, Vicar, Very Reverend Father Joseph Puttur, Assistant Vicar, Reverend Father Joyce Rathapilli, Assistant Vicar, Reverend Father Baston Pullatanikal, Mrs. Rani Joseph, Reverend Sister Rinsi, and Reverend Mother Philopavana. Other dignitaries on the dais are respected Reverend Mother Superior Sister Cecily, our Honorable Principal Reverend Sister Minnie George, and our beloved Vice Principal Reverend Sister Piyusha, our parents, teachers, and my dear children. A very pleasant morning to one and all gathered here. I take great pleasure in welcoming you all in this special occasion of our 55th annual day and valedictory function. It is my privilege and honor to present the annual report of the academic year 2021, a platform to communicate directly with our respected guests the accomplishments of our school. What a year 2020 has been in general, and one of the worst hit was the education. However, the pandemic failed to sink the spirits of our rights. Fighting against all odds, I am tremendously proud of the commitment of the success of Alvernia Metric Higher Secondary School with our amazing and novel array of activities during the 2021 academic year that enthralled the students, teachers, and parents alike with a sudden shift away from the classroom to the digital platform. Success is a sweet result of hard work combined with a desire to excel and unfailing dedication. We are happy to share the news that all our students of class 12 performed creditably well in the higher secondary public examination conducted in March 2020. The school gained 100% results, and the school topper was Afra Satir with 581 on 600, and the school second was shared by Hari Priya K and Surya T with 579 on 600. The centums were also scored in the following subjects: computer science, economics, commerce, and accountancy. The credit of excellent performance goes to our efficient teachers, students, and parents. We congratulate the students and teachers on their laurels. The academic year commenced on 1st June 2020. The classes were conducted online through virtual classroom in Google Meet from standard LKG to 12. To take part in what counts in, competitions and lessons of victory and defeat are what we get in return. Like every year, this year also, the intra-school art and literary competition was conducted online for all classes. Our students took part in various competitions like creative writing, elocution, debate, rangoli, solo music, drawing, etc. The regular classes for 10 and 12 began on 8 January 2021, and for the 9 and 11th, the classes commenced on 8 February 2021. Sports inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students. Our students had actively participated in different sports competitions, and the notable ones are: in basketball, the Chief Minister's Trophy was held at Chennai Nehru Stadium for women's category, and our students clinched the second place and a cash award of rupees 75,000 each. The state level JJ3 basketball tournament was conducted, and our school team won many prizes and cash awards. The 11th district basketball tournament was conducted by Lions Orient Trophy for women's category. Our girls won many rewards and cash awards as well. Under 13 CCMA tournament was held at VOC Park, Coimbatore. Our students seized the second place along with the trophy. In tennis, our under 12 category, SG Janani Priya of Standard 4 was placed in 282 ranking, and in All India Level Tennis Association, in under 14 category, she was ranked in 760. Celebrations. Celebration is an occasion of enjoyment which promotes social interaction and harmony. Celebrating events and festivals in our school has become an integral part of learning, building cultural and belief. Along with enthusiasm and fun for the activities, qualities like sensitivity, creativity, and togetherness are also inculcated in our students. To keep our values intact, important days like Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and Principals' Day were celebrated virtually. On 25th December 2020, Christmas celebration was virtually celebrated, and at this juncture, I am proud to reveal that our school souvenir was released by Mother Adelaide, our former principal, on the very same day. On 26 January, Republic Day was also celebrated virtually with pride and fervor. On 15th April 2021, school bade farewell to class 12 with plenty of good wishes and a bright and successful future. Respected Reverend Sister Principal, bless the students and invoke celestial blessings from our Almighty. From 16 April to 20th April, Public Practical Exam 2021 for Standard 12 was conducted as per the guidelines given by the government. And the year's achievements and celebrations come to an end on this day, 27 April 2021, as we are celebrating the retirement function of Reverend Sister Rincy and Mrs. Rani Joseph, and also the Golden Jubilee of Reverend Mother Philo Pavana. Before concluding this report, I bow my head in reference to the Almighty God for the blessings He has bestowed on us and on this institution. Since inception, we have been blessed with visionary leaders whose imagination, insight, and courage call for the best in teachers and students alike and united them around and shared a sense of purpose. Our thanks are due in no small measures to them. Towards the end, may I take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to our management, principal, students, the teaching and the non-teaching staff, our parents, well-wishers, benefactors for their wholehearted cooperation.